In this video, I will take you through the steps of finding art lessons, submitting a photo of your art, and how to get my help if you need it. On the art homepage, there is a virtual art room, which has a lot of extra fun art videos and links to explore in your free time. This week's lesson is here, where the rainbow is. Friday Google Meet information is next to it, and my office hour from 12:30 until 1:30 daily is here. You're welcome to drop in and ask questions or send me a message by clicking up here. Then New, and typing Tipton into the top box. At the bottom of the homepage, there are links to past lessons if you need to make up any or want to see them again. You do not need to make up any lessons from last semester. They are just for reference. Let's go to this week's lesson. Click on the rainbow. Here you will see the title of the lesson, what we are creating, and the I can statement. To the left are directions for the lesson, which includes what materials you will need. Next is the lesson video or slideshow. You can work along with me, pausing if you need more time, or just watch the video and make your art afterward. When you've completed your art, don't forget to submit a photo on the assignment page. Click on me holding up a picture. This is the assignment page. At the top, you will see a link back to the lesson if you need it, and some basic directions. I will always include this instructional video as a reminder. Scroll down and click Answer Assignment. If you forget any of the directions, you can show or hide them here. To take a photo of your art, you will click on the white circle app launcher and find the camera, usually here. If it's missing, you can open the other apps. Mine's here, but sometimes it can be on another page of apps. Open your camera. There is a little timer here. Click on it so you have a 3-second delay. Make sure you have good lighting. Natural lighting is the best, so I suggest sitting by a window. You'll click on the shutter here, and you'll have 3 seconds to set up your photo. Here is my art. Click on your shutter button. You have 3 seconds to set up your shot. Click on your picture to check it. And if you're happy with it, close it and the camera app as well. You can write something here, but you don't have to. To upload your photo, you will have to make sure you can see all of your options on this bar. If not, click here where it says More Options. Find the little picture of a landscape. Your picture won't show here. Click on the plus symbol next to the Upload and Insert. Then choose File. Find the little landscape image again. The top file should be your photo. If you're not sure, you can check the timestamp here. You can click it once to highlight it and then click Open, or I just like to double click. Here is your file. Click Upload and Insert. At this point, you can click Submit at the bottom, but I want to show you one more option. You can record yourself telling me about your art. Find the microphone. Click the Record tab. Record audio. And record. Hi, Miss Tipton. I had lots of fun drawing my Among Us character. The red one is my favorite. It will force you to record at least 10 seconds, but once it hits the 10 or 11, you can click stop. If you want a preview, you can wait till it's been uploaded and listen to it. I'm just going to save it. It is here, and you can't listen to it at this point, but you can once you submit. There you have your response. You really just need the photo unless I ask you to respond to a question. The most important part is to click Submit, otherwise it will not be saved. It will say Submitted and the timestamp. Once I have a chance to review your work, I will mark it as passed and give you some brief feedback. Please be patient with me. I've got a lot of work that I'm sorting through, along with answering questions. You can see this by clicking on the bell and then the assignment. You can see that I've marked it as passed, I've given some feedback, and your project is still below. That's all, art friends. See you next time.